The sporadic wrangles between the county assembly speakers and the members of the county assemblies have taken a new twist after senators were asked to stay out of the fights while presenting their views on the matter before the Senate Devolution Committee. The chair of the County Assembly Forum, Johnson Osoi, who is also the Kajiado Assembly Speaker, said Senate can only intervene on some of the wrangles as an alternative mediator since they have no constitutional mandate on the matter.
The quest by senators to quell the impasse witnessed between county assembly speakers and the members of the county assembly has been turned down by a section of MCAs who term it as unconstitutional. This was revealed today during a sitting of the devolution committee chaired by Laikipia Senator Nderitu Kenywa.
Chair, I was with you on national TV and I say this. The Senate has no role to supervise the assemblies. What the Senate has, that out of 47 senators, every Senate has a permanent seat in the county assembly. That every senator ought to be aware what's happening within his own jurisdiction, his own particular assembly.
There is different parties to come and blame one another on some of the matters that I honestly think can be sorted with the kind of capacity that our members have and our staff, our speakers. Some of the issues can be sorted within our own assemblies.
We should not come with a legislation trying to twist MCS at that level because it will become unconstitutional.
The chair of the County Assembly Forum, Johnson Osoi, and his vice chair, Joshua Kipton, wants the Senate to only intervene on the basis of checking whether the law was adhered to in the process of impeaching a county speaker.
We are talking about Senate acting as the appellate body, so to speak, in terms of playing a role of arbitrating between or amongst ourselves in cases of differences within our own assemblies.
But the nature of the act only gives more or less general consideration, but doesn't give the specific provisions. That is why they could amend and say the notice period be 3 hours or 2 hours. Nothing stops them from doing that, because the general law under the county government only provides about removal of a speaker, an acting can be given and all that. So that's number one. Regulations by way of subsidiary legislation, in this case amendment bill, be done.
Even so, the County Assembly Forum has presented a petition before the Devolution Committee, which include a list of issues they want the Senate to amend. They want amendment bill done on the impeachment procedure and the Speaker to be given 7 days notice to appear before the ad hoc committee investigating him on the matters against him. They also want the threshold to impeach a Speaker to remain at 75% and the remuneration of the MCAs to be reviewed.
My memory serves me right, the honorable member was talking about the accusation leveled against the MCA, that they are impeaching speakers for being broke. That is why he answered that question. Yes. But my basis is, I'm talking about how to strengthen the institution of assembly, right? And I've only said, when you discuss the issue of remuneration, let's discuss it from the basis of aligning the national level and the county level.
Not financially organized. It doesn't matter how much you earn. You'll still be broke. And that is not in any way the position in our county assemblies. The CAF officials could be speaking about a very small section of the members of the county assemblies of this country.
The County Assembly Vice Chair, Joshua Kipton, who is also the Speaker from the Nandi County Assembly, has attributed some wrangles between speakers of the County Assembly and MCAs to have been influenced by governors. A section of MCAs, however, have denied this, saying that the CAF is taking side of the Speaker on the matter.
CAF, we have not taken sides whatsoever. County Assemblies Forum is an umbrella body that represents speakers and MCAs, because speakers are MCAs to start with.
But in terms of the speaker and the county assembly, the governors have no role whatsoever, and they have no motivation to do that.
Okay. Yeah. Instead of CAF come and championing for those issues which are pertinent in making the county assembly much more effective, efficient in doing their oversight work, they are coming here to protect the speakers. Thank you.
The Senate has been accused of failing on checking on the oversight role of the MCAs, but the senators now claim that there is need to be a clear separation of the roles to exonerate elected leaders from failures caused by others. Arvin Mwangi, KUTV.